Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to deactivate Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to deactivate Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to deactivate Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to deactivate Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deactivating Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. For this, first of all open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now you are seeing settings in bottom left corner. Click on it. Now click on plan. Now you are seeing deactivate store at the bottom side. Click on it and confirm it. Your store will be deactivated. There you go. If you wanted to know how to deactivate Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.